Hey, what's up YouTube? So today is my very first YouTube video. So really, thank you for tuning in. But I want to introduce myself and what I'll be posting on my channel. So basically, my name is Travell, and I'll be covering mobile technology, portable Bluetooth speakers, and the ascendant part in my name. So basically, what I'll also be doing, because I want to have my own kind of flow in the YouTube thing, I'll also be doing public questions, reaction videos, pranks, skits, and more coming on the way. Well, that's like the main thing I'm trying to focus on.
Nice.
So, also a little insight about the Boombox 2 review. So basically, about like 2 months ago, like in July, like late July, actually I ordered this speaker, but I had a defective unit. It broke within 17 hours. So I had to send it back, and then now it's get some time to get all the bugs kind of fixed out. Even though there hasn't been no firmware update yet. And yeah, so I got it today. So without wasting any more time, let's get on to the review. Here it is, the JBL Boombox 2. Now this speaker retails for $499.95.
Huh?
But I personally picked it up for sale for $29.95. So that's a $70 discount, but after tax that's around $450.
I am the one.
But this is the flagship waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker out of JBL's line, so you gotta pay to play. So let's play. Now let's get to the features. So this speaker retails, the battery is 24 hours long. With its 10,000 milliamp power bank, you can actually charge your phone while listening to music at the same time. And also this speaker features JBL Party Boost, so you will not be able to connect to older speakers such as the JBL Extreme 2 and going back on. Party Boost is not compatible, but you are able to pair up to 100 plus JBL Party Boost enabled speakers. So, did I miss anything? Nope, besides massive sound all day long. Do you not see this box? Now, the Bluetooth version is Bluetooth 5.1, but we won't cover that during later on. So this is a little unboxing knife. So let's get to the unboxing. This is the Boombox 2 unboxed, but let's get to this in a second. So let me show what comes in the box. You get your JBL quick start guide to quickly start the speaker, and it's actually a pretty nice one. So, you won't have any other questions about what to do with the speaker. You get your warranty information, so I'll keep this in case if something goes wrong with the speaker, but these are high quality speakers and I doubt you have a problem. And your warning information, so what not to do in all kinds of languages. Now for the charging source, you get your little AC adapter. Now this is a proprietary plug to charge the Boombox 2 with its 10,000 milliamp battery. This thing can charge it in 6.7 hours, so that's why this brick's so big. And your United States wall adapter. Now for the fun stuff, the JBL Boombox 2. Now starting off with build quality and looks, this gives you like a nice manly feel. Yeah, so it's covered in this nice rugged fabric mesh all across the speaker, which is plastic body on plastic handle. It sounds, it feels nice in the hand, but like it has like this rubberized coating to it, so like it's kind of matte. And also you get like these little rubber knobs in the handle to increase it's heavy. To increase grip is needed. So speaking about weight and dimensions, this speaker weighs 13 pounds, but try, get a 13-pound dumbbell, twist it in your hand, not so easy. So as far as what's powering the speaker, it's going to be two 106mm woofers in the front and two 1/4-inch tweeters in the sides. Now you also have your two JBL insignia pass radiators and a JBL logo itself. Now, as far as the buttons go, let's get to it. So here is your party views button to connect to 100 compatible party wheel speakers. Volume down, power on, Bluetooth connect button, and this ring right here actually lights up when you turn on party boost, so you know that the feature is enabled. Volume up and play and pause button, and also that doubles as a skip, but not reverse track, so that's kind of disappointing. Now, besides for that, did I get everything? No, I didn't. Let's get to the back. So, this is where the charger goes. There's your USB-A output.
But I cannot see, I'm legally blind.
Your micro USB, that's kind of disappointing to see in 2020 for service, and your 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, keep this closed because without this rubber flap, being tightly secure, your speaker will be water damaged. So, without further ado, let's get to the sound test. So I found some non-copyright music, so this video won't get taken down. Alright, so to turn it on, obviously, press the power button.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Okay, so now it's in Bluetooth paired mode. So what you do is you go to your Bluetooth settings and you click on Boombox 2. Accept. And once you get the notification, now it's time.
Perfect.
Yes, excellent.
To really hear this. Now, I'm gonna start on, let's say like 40% volume. Now, let's get started. Yo, I'm excited. Hold up. Okay, let's just hear it.
You thought I wouldn't make it. The all things that you faking.
I'll try my song.
Ain't believing. I know now.
50%.
I take all your stupid. Burn it as my fuel, yeah. 'Cause we're running out of time. So I'm gonna make it mine.
Chosen one, I'm not the one to underestimate. I want the throne, I'm gonna crush the structure. Levitate, got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020. Clear as towel laces, clear as day, no longer moving around. Fear disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane. Feel the pace, baby soaking in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and work the barricades.
That sounds clear, no distortion at all. Yo, the floor. Yo, hold on a second. The floor beneath me is vibrating already, and it sounds clear. It's not too sharp so far. It's nice and balanced, clear notes. But I want to save a real sound test for the full review. But besides for that, I think y'all, damn, excuse me, but I forgot how this thing sounds. Anyways, let me show you what I'm comparing it to. This is my actual setup. So I got the Extreme 2, Charge 4, Charge 3, and Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 5. And basically, that beat sound right there, I mean, just for a quick stats comparison, it makes everything sound like toys, except for the Studio 5 at lower volumes. But once it gets higher, no match at all. But I'm gonna save any more information for the full review. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching. And also, I'm gonna do a Q&A, so let me know, what do you want to ask me? Anything, within reason, and I'll get to it. But anything in the comments that you want to cover, or any versus videos, I'll do them. So now be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.